I'm going to show you how to make this sweet and tangy homemade chicken dhansak. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This chicken dhansak has tender chicken in a sweet, spicy and tangy sauce, and it's made lusciously thick and rich with the addition of red lentils. We're going to start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan. Add a diced onion and cook on a medium heat, stirring often for about 10 minutes until the onion's softened and lightly caramelised. Then we're going to add 3 chicken breasts that have been chopped into large chunks. Now we're going to add in the spices. For this curry, I've got 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder, a teaspoon each of turmeric, garam masala, cumin and fenugreek, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of hot chilli powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll add in 2 minced cloves of garlic and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. Stir together to coat the chicken in the spices and cook for 5 minutes until the chicken is sealed. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of honey, then add in 100 grams or 1/2 cup of red lentils, 400 ml or 1 2/3 cup of passata, 480 ml or 2 cups of chicken stock, and 1/2 cup or 120 ml of the juice from a tin of pineapple chunks. Stir everything together and then bring it to the boil. Turn down the heat, cover and simmer for 25 to 30 minutes until the lentils have softened. You'll need to give it a stir a few times to ensure the lentils don't stick. Once those lentils are nice and tender, add the pineapple chunks from the tin, give it a good stir and then heat through for another 5 minutes. Serve with basmati rice and top with freshly chopped coriander. And that's how you make a delicious, sweet, tangy and a little bit spicy chicken dhansak, a curry the whole family will enjoy.